This is Bert from Infrared Heating UK. Today I wanted to show you the white touchscreen thermostat, how easy it is to set up, also how to adjust the floor temperature sensor, the maximum and minimum floor temperature. It is installed into a single bag box. Obviously, when you have it installed at home, it will not look like this, but right now it's just connected with a piece of flex and it will be plugged into a socket. The white touchscreen thermostat is also available in black and silver. So I just plugged it in, now it's starting up. So the language selection is first, it's already selected, just go forward. Then you can select between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And then the time format, 12 hours or 24 hours. And then set the date and time. So today is the 2026. That's done. And this one is set up with an air and floor sensor. So there is a built-in air sensor, which is the default setting. But I added a floor temperature sensor because I also wanted to show how to adjust the floor temperature limits. So I'm going to select floor and air. You can add the wattage of the product, what you are connecting to it. This thermostat works with heating panels, to be honest, any kind of electric heating, and also it works with the underfloor heating film. So right now I'm just going to leave it 1000 watts. And now it all set up. That's how simple it is. And it shows the air temperature here, and also that little one is the floor temperature. So when you use this thermostat with underfloor heating, you need to select the floor temperature settings, which is settings, installation, regulation, floor limit. So there is a low, which is the minimum floor limit. So if the floor temperature drops between 15 Celsius, then the heating will turn on. You can set this lower or higher. So this is how you set it. Now I set it to 10 degrees. So if the floor temperature drops under 10 degrees, then the heating will turn off no matter what air temperature setting you have. And the high is set to 27 as default because the floating floor coverings usually require 27 degrees. Well, you can play with this once you have your installation and maybe adjust it. Because the sensor is directly under the heating film, I sometimes set it higher than 27 and has not given me a problem. So this is how you adjust the floor temperature. You don't need to save it. If you go out from this menu, then it has saved it already. Let's just check it. Go back, settings, installation, regulation, floor limit. So the high is 35 now, the low is 10. Adjusting the room temperature is very easy. So you just adjust it here. I put it to like 27. And now the heating is on. And now the heating is off. So it's really very easy to adjust. And there's other things what it can do. For example, statistics. So if you add your heating power, what we left at 1000 watt at the beginning, and add the kilowatt price, what you pay, and you can see the statistics for daily, monthly, or for the whole year. How much that room or that heating zone was used and how much you paid for it, or how much electricity was used in that zone, which is a very useful function. And also you can program the thermostat. This is actually my favorite thermostat. It's easy to install and very easy to use. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I can answer them in the next video.